Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will teach you a very simple US30 top-down analysis to use and trade this pair profitably. So if you have been trading US30 and it has not been profitable, guys, I'm here with the one of the top best strategies in the world. Because of what? It is based on market structure. That is why I call it the best strategy in the world. Okay, so this is something that once you are profitable, you must know how to analyze with it. That is why I'm here to show you guys this. Okay, so without wasting much of a time, guys, this is just very simple. Okay, first of all, we are on the daily time frame. I just like to look out for my trend. Okay, determine your trend. You can see the market has been forming this bullish, push all the way from here. Okay, all these higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, but this was the main high that was taken out, which causes which is making this market to retrace back down to mitigate some imbalances from this range to this high. Okay, so right now, where is our trading range? Okay, where is the recent low and highs that was formed? That's what we're going to look out for. The most recent lows that has not been taken out by a price, okay, and the recent high that was formed before any push to the downside or to the upside. So right now we have identified this range. Okay, this is our swing range, and if you look at your left side, you will see that there was a break of structure. There was a break of structure. Okay, so after this break of structure, the market started reversing back down. Okay, which means we're having this retracement. I used to tell you guys that when there is a break of structure, there is always a retracement to their range. Okay, and this is what is happening now. So on US30 right now, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. But before going to the 4-hour time frame, do you think there is any demand or other block that price would like to come into? First of all, we have this other block here. This is too wide. Okay, but looking at it the other way around, you can see that price has come into this other block. You can see I mitigated it by this. You can see this wick. So we cannot mark this entire zone now, but rather we are going to mark this cleaner one here. Okay, so let's delete the big one. And if you look at here, there was a break of structure which qualifies it a very valid order block. Okay, there was a break of structure here. Can you guys see that there was a break of structure? So it verifies that it helps us validate that other block. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see this is the trend here. Okay, you can see the high that was broken for that other block to be formed. Okay, so the high was broken, and now on the 4-hour time frame we can simply refine it to this level. Okay, just put it that way. So you can see how the market came exactly into it and tapped into it with no stress, guys. So guys, what is the current trend saying now? Okay, now that we have come into that extreme, now we have reversed all the way from this high, forming those lower highs and lower lows, coming down, and now we are in the discounted price level where the smart money traders are interested in buying this market. So now there is a discount now, okay, for them to buy this market. That is the thought here. Okay, so right now, are we getting any change of structure or reversal showing us that we are going to be changing from the bearish trend to the bullish trend? Okay, we're already getting that characteristics. Okay, so looking at here now, you can see that this was a low formed. Okay, this was the low, this was the mitigation of this other block. Okay, and where was the high? This was the high, guys. This was the high that was formed. Okay, then the market then pulled back all the way to this If you go to the lower time frame, you see that there's another block here, okay, but it was not a, a valid order block for me, okay, because I used to look for change of structure on the 4 hour or on the 1 hour before taking those before marking out my other blocks, okay. So you can see the market came, mitigated it, then pushed and created another high, okay. So what is it now forming now? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, sorry, higher low, higher high. That is what the market wants to start doing now, and that is the characteristics, the change that is giving us, okay, which is making sense, okay. And now we're going to be trading all this pullback, taking out, forming those highs, and we are going to be trading the pullback just like that, okay. So, and the only thing we look to catch using this strategy is just the pullback. We don't trade this one, or we just wait for it to pull back. Once it pull back, then we use it to form that that aggressive push that will break this high. That is what we look to trade, okay. So you don't look to get involved once it has broken the high. You want to get involved before this even form. That's what you want to do. That's what you want to spot as a trader here, okay. So before this one, once it breaks this high, before it will start trading to the upside, you wait for that retracement. Once it comes to the discounted price level, you take the buys and take it to the upside again, okay. So that is just how we are going to be looking out for demand zones to take all of these buys, okay. You can see we wait for another pullback into the discounted price level, then we look to take the highs again. So that is just basically how our concept is going to be working throughout this strategy, okay. So that is just how our strategy is just built for, okay. So right now on the 4 hour, we have formed this high here. We have formed this high. So the next thing is that we're waiting for this pullback after breaking it out, and this high was formed. So we're waiting for that pullback to take it to the upside. It's just very simple, guys. So looking at this 4 hour, you can see that there was a demand that was formed here, okay. Look at it very well. You see what I'm saying, okay. So this is the last high that was created here, okay, and this is the last low, okay. So deleting this one now, you can see, guys, this is a very simple and very precise, trading strategy. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, everything is just looking clean, okay. First of all, this morning I said, how can I take trades, okay. I spotted that there was a sweep of liquidity just on this low, okay. You can see market swept that low. Then I was like, if markets can come into this other block, it makes sense, and I just marked it out like this. But you can see price already pushing down to the downside. I didn't take this because of based on some reasons, okay. So I was like, no, I don't want to pack myself into. You can see this is supposed to be how we're going to be targeting this discounted price level, but to be on the safer side, it's better to wait for it to come into this area before taking those buys. So that is just it, guys. So once it comes into the zone on the 1 hour now, we can see that there is an order block here to refine our zones. There's another block right there, and we'll be looking to buy from this point, okay. Put your stop loss just below that low, then target these highs, which is 857 points, risking 200 points to catch 857 points. Or you go to the 15 minutes time frame, refine the zones, okay. But the more you refine, just know that you might be able to miss your entries, okay. So if you are to enter off this demand right here now, the stop loss will be very tighter, okay. Stop loss will be tighter, which is going to make the price to come from 200 points to 292 points. which will even increase your risk to reward ratio, which is from, you can see this is a 9.66 risk to reward, which means if you're risking $100 on this, you're going to be making $966 on this trade. Okay, and that is how simple it can be, guys. Very, very simple. There is no stress on this trading strategy. It's just based off structures. Break of structure, you get your demand or order block, just like this one right now. You can see there is already a break of structure here on the 15 minutes. Since we are looking to sell to that demand, if price can come into the zone, this is another good trade option. Okay, if price can come into the zone, you scale more into it. Okay, but me, I just like to follow the plan. I have missed out on this, and that is it. But if for you, if you can join this market just here, still good. Okay, still very good. Can see, put your stop loss and put it above, but it's going to be much. Just reach 50 points here, then target 100 points at least, then to this downside. So guys, this strategy, just that is how simple it can look. Okay, and this was the demand zone or other block I was talking about right here, which price has mitigated. You can see there's already a lot of mitigations going on, so that's why it's no longer valid. So guys, this is just basically what I'm waiting for to long this market, to long it. That's all. Okay. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video and you like this strategy, kindly subscribe to this channel to see more, and also like this video and share it. See you guys on the next one. Bye.